Hi guys, welcome to another video on Great Life Project channel. This is a channel dedicated to providing you information on personal finance, business opportunity, and other opportunities online on how to make money, and also motivation. In this video today, I'll be showing you an opportunity to make money selling your study document. This is a platform that enables you, I'll be showing you a platform that enables you to upload your study document, be it quiz document, study pack, or guidelines, or even study materials, whatever kind, so far it meets the requirement of the platform. So let's get into it. The platform I'm going to show you today is called studypool.com. Studypool.com. So studypool.com is a platform that enables teachers to help students on assignment or tutoring of any sort online and get paid. So if you are skilled at any subject, you are very good at any subject, be it mathematics, be it business, science, chemistry, biology, any form of subject, so far it's available on the Studypool platform. You are able to help students on with their assignment on Studypool. Then you get paid based on the time you spend or the how complex the assignment is. So you get paid. However, that's the conventional way of making money on the Studypool. But recently, they just introduced another way for people to make money on Studypool, and this is through selling your document. So if I say selling your document, what do I mean by that? So this enables you to upload your document, your study document. So be it assignment that you have done in school, and then it's marked or it's graded, you can upload it. Or maybe study materials, you can upload it online and get paid. And then you get paid up to $10 every time a student views one of your materials or any of your materials. So that means that each time your document gets viewed, you earn up to $10 per view. So that's one great opportunity that enables you to earn passively. So you just upload once, and then students can view your study materials or document that you upload, and then you start making money with that. So if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe or hit the notification button so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you get notified, and then you can watch and make use of the information shared in the video. So, but if you're new, please kindly subscribe to this channel as I continue to provide you with good content on personal finance, on how to make money online. So let's go into how this works in terms of what kind of document you can upload, the approval stage, how you can make money through this. So let me log into my account on studypool.com. So I've logged into my account of studypool.com. So this is where you can sell your document, and then there are a lot of information on this particular page that informs you about the opportunity in terms of uploading your document on this platform. For instance, what kind of document can you upload? First one here shows you old quizzes or tests. So past quizzes, tests, practice problem, and study guides can be helpful study resources for students. So you can upload old quizzes or test materials that you have. You can upload them. The other one is old assignments. So past homework, projects, or report or presentation papers student can use as a reference point or guide can also be uploaded on this platform. And then another one is class notes. So if you have class notes that can help students to understand the basic concept regarding the subject, then you can upload them on this platform. So what are the requirements? Because you cannot just start uploading any form of document on this platform. So the do's and don'ts of this platform is that let's go with the do's first. It must be high quality. So that's what it means that the quality of it must be the quality of the content, that is the quiz, the notes, the study guide must be of high quality content. So if it's a low quality content, there's a likelihood that it will be rejected. So the second one is proper categorization. So in this case, you need to have the course name or title, or even reference the university that you went through in terms of the course or the program, or even the university must be clearly stated, so that so that they will know how to categorize those materials, and so that it can be accessed by students on that platform. So it's important that you categorize the subject. So in terms, for instance, if it's an economics paper, you have to title it, is it economics 100 or economics 101 or economics 201 or economics 301, or is it biology, is it BLY 101 or BLY 2? So you have to state it that way on those materials. So the third one is it has to be meaningful. That is, it has to be of value. It has to be of value it has to add value. The content has to add value. It's not just like something that doesn't make any sense in terms of the subject you're talking about. So it has to be in alignment with the subject, and also be relevant. The content has to be relevant. If not, it will be rejected. So also an example of what can be uploaded are also provided in this particular page. So for instance, let's look at practice quiz. So how does the practice quiz look like? So yeah, so this is a typical example of what practice quiz may look like. For instance, so this is on the subject research and security policies. So this is a quiz. So in this quiz, you can see it has the question and it has options. So for instance, I have about 4 options. So the one highlighted in yellow is the right answer. So each of those questions is being awarded 10 points. So if you get a particular question correctly, you get 10 points. So this is an example of the kind of quiz or test that can be uploaded on the platform. So this is an example of the test or quiz. Let's see the exam, practice exam, an example of an exam paper or document that can be uploaded on the platform. So this is an example of the exam that can be uploaded on the platform. So for instance, this is like a multiple choice questions. So it has about 100 questions for 80 minutes. So and it has all those options, and at the end, I think it has the answers at the end of those questions. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Yeah, so it had all the answers. So it had all the answers to those questions. So this is a typical example of the exam material that are allowed or that can get approval on the platform. So let's look at study guide or study material. So this is an example of the study materials that can be uploaded on this platform. You can see It's neat, it's clear, and it's relevant. And also I think this one is titled Intro to Psychology PSY 100 Study Materials. It has dates, it has the title. So this is another example. This is an example of study materials that can be uploaded on the platform. Let's check the last one, which is the study guide. So this is the study guide. So this has like questions and answers are being provided, so the student can easily go through this and look at the questions and look at how the answer look at how the question is being solved, and then it has a discussion session. So yeah, so this is quite detailed, and this is a typical example of the study guides that can be uploaded on this platform. So another thing that you should note is that make sure you upload copyright-free materials. Copyright-free materials. Know that you are the author of the materials you are uploading on this platform. Do not upload what is not yours or what you did not get permission to upload. So it's important that you adhere strictly on that if you actually want to make money on this platform. So just follow those instructions, follow the do's, and also look at the examples of those documents that have been uploaded. And again, per view you can earn up to $10 per view for any of your documents. So each time your document is being viewed, you earn up to $10. So that's how it works. So if you want to also upload, this is how you upload. This is how you upload. So this on the same page, so you upload. You click on upload files here, and it takes you an description of getting the document from any of your folder, and then you upload, and then that's it. And then it's kind of screened and see if it's approved, it's going to be approved or declined. So this will show you if your document is being approved, you get the green light. If it's not, you get declined. And then if it's still pending, this is what you will see. As I mentioned earlier, your documents must have strong titles. So for instance, you can see a pro tip here: document with strong titles can increase sales by up to 300%. By 300%. Also, another thing is, if you don't have the time to upload document at the time, you can use this zip file. You can use a folder to just kind of like put everything in your folder, and then you upload them. So far, you title them accordingly. So it's going to help. So it's going to help with that. So I hope this video is helpful. So we went through how you can make money on studypool.com, uploading your either quizzes, old assignment, class note, exam papers on studypool. So far you follow their requirement, definitely you get the opportunity to earn passively on this platform. So thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and press the notification button so that you get notified each time a new video is being uploaded. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video.